Welcome back into Midday in Kansas. We are wrapping things up on this Monday with our good friend Charlene Patton in the Kansas Soybean Commission via Skype. Good afternoon, Charlene.
Hello, Chris.
Hey, we're talking about September being National Breakfast Month, and we're wrapping up the show today with one of my favorite foods, potatoes.
You know, you can have breakfast any time of day, right? And this is a great go-to recipe to have with your other items that you might be serving for breakfast. I love it. I did this for my husband because he likes crispy potatoes. It's called a shredded potato cake. And we're going to put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a non-stick skillet, and then add half of our shredded potatoes. We're using 4 potatoes that I've just grated and shredded. We're going to add half of those to our hot skillet, and then we're going to add 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup of chopped green onion, 1/4 cup of chopped red bell pepper, and then cover it with the rest of the potatoes. And then I like to use my spatula and just kind of pat it down in the skillet. We'll put the lid on the skillet there, and then we're going to bake it or cook it here on top of the oven for about 15 minutes. You can check and see if it's getting to the brownness and the crispiness you like, but just by using your spatula and lifting the edge of it. After it's brown, then what we want to do is take a pan. Now, I used a flat baking cookie sheet. Put that on top of my skillet and then flipped it over on there. And then we're going to add a little bit more oil to our skillet, and then we're going to slide that back in. So now the top is our brown part, and on the bottom we're putting that in there, so now it will get browned. Then we're going to just cook it, put the lid back on, and cook it for about another 10 or 15 minutes till it's the brownness that you like, Chris.
Okay,
then
crispy
it's
as you want
easy
it.
in that non-stick skillet to just have it slide out on your serving dish, and we're going to top that with a little soy sour cream and additional green onion on top. A lot of people like that on their potatoes, but you could use ketchup too, whatever you like.
Why would you ruin that delicious dish with ketchup? I know there's some people out there that ruin a lot of things with ketchup, but that's just my opinion anyway. All right, Charlene, if they want this recipe plus the other recipes that we featured this morning, which I recommend them getting, they can just go to your website or give you a call, right?
That's right. They can go to kansassoybeans.org. They can also call our 800 number at 877-K-A-Soybean. We'll send all the September breakfast recipes. There's 3 wonderful recipes and the fall edition of the Kansas Soy Connection.
All right, check it out. Charlene Patton and the Kansas Soybean Commission, thanks for your time this afternoon, Charlene.
Thank you.
All right, thanks for watching Midday in Kansas. Hope to see you tomorrow morning at 5.